I'm Dr. Virginia Dolan. I'm a general pediatrician for Memorial Physician Services and the clinical director of performance improvement. I'll tell you about how we used it and didn't use it. Fortunate for our experience, my dad, who was the first of our parents and in-laws to pass, was a minister and had been through this with other people, and he was able to choose hospice for himself. But this was preceded by a year or two of a lot of angst over the conversation we weren't having as family. I know for my siblings and myself, we all felt it, so I'm guessing my dad did as well. While I knew his general wishes to be alive with quality, that doesn't always inform all the small decisions you make along the way at an emotional time. So when my mom's health started to have a bit of a spiral, I summoned the courage to sit down with her. I was anxious about it, but I was more anxious about not having the conversation as I had learned in the past. I would say that my mom was amazingly detailed about what she wanted. It was a very matter-of-fact conversation, and it was a conversation that set the stage for all the conversations we had in the future as her health faltered. Each time her blood pressure dropped, each time she fell but didn't seem hurt, how many runs to the emergency department do you make? When do I sit and hold your hand? All of that was informed by that first conversation. Once we become a patient, we can feel very vulnerable. So this planning has the ability to give us as patients a feeling of control and hopefully a sense of dignity. As family members, we have to remember, yes, there's anxiety in having the conversation, but there's more anxiety in my experience of not having the conversation. So even having an attempt, like anything we try, if it doesn't go well the first time, you just sit back and at least they know, your family member knows you're willing to have the conversation when they feel ready. We have really talented people at Memorial to help patients and families through these conversations. You are not alone. Life gives us so many wonderful moments, and even these final moments can be filled with love and dignity.